surgeon console. I'm a little bit further away, but I want to show the connection between the machine here, the console, and the actual robot. What I have here is a set of 3D glasses, or 3D attachment to the camera, which lets me see in depth. And here I go. So I'm going to use these joysticks to control the instruments. I've got foot pedals here which allow me to clutch between camera, moving in, moving out, changing certain aspects of the machine, and allowing me to get the best focus of the view of what I want to see. So you can see how this works. Now I've got control, and I'm looking around inside here. These are the scissors, and this is the grasper, and down inside there's the hernia. So, if this were, now since it's just a pumpkin, I don't have to really cut it. I can actually pull it and tear it a bit too. And certainly, here you wouldn't be having all that. But wait, look here. Here's the hole. It's a problem. And there's something down. This is what mesh often looks like. And I'm going to go ahead and sew the mesh in place. So let's see. And what's so cool about these instruments are, I can sew knots inside. So I can do very extensive suturing. I can suture intestine. I can suture bile ducts. I can do whatever needs to be done when we do an operation. So you see, I'm going to actually tie a knot here now. So I'll put one more in here on the top side. So this shows the joysticks. I've got these two little pinchers. Allows me to open and close. I can turn the instrument. I can move back and forth. I can go forward. I can go back. It's almost like flying an airplane. When I want to move the scope, I hit a pedal and I can move the scope with both arms. So I operate usually with my arms a little bit more, but I'm going to do it up here just so you can see how it attaches and works the instruments. So I'm taking the needle now. I'm going to go ahead and put another stitch in. I'm going to do it on the bottom side of the mesh now. Get a nice bite inside there. At the end of the case, instruments come out. We undock the instruments from the patient. Trocars are removed, and these small incisions get closed, and that's the